Today, we're going to show you how to upload videos to your channel. Start by clicking on your channel icon in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Video Producer. On the right, you'll see a button labeled Upload. Go ahead and click that. Now, find the file of the video you want to upload. Once you've found it, click Open, and your video will begin uploading. This might take a few minutes depending on your file size. You can cancel at any time if needed. Once the upload is complete, your video will start processing. That may also take a few minutes. When processing is done, don't forget to click Publish so people can see your video. You can change the title, description, or privacy settings, but for now, let's leave it set to everyone and click Publish. To find your video, go back to your channel icon, click Channel, and then head
to the Videos tab.
From there, use the filter by drop-down and click on Uploads. You'll see the video you just uploaded, and that's how you upload videos on Twitch. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.